floors, as y'all can see. So yeah, I got these floor pans. Hopefully, well, I know they fit because I did the eBay guarantee fit. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Now this video we're not going to be working on the car. Just want to show y'all what I got for the car, because I told y'all that the car needed this. I don't know if y'all seen it really good, you know what I'm saying, if I showed it to y'all well enough, you know, but I'm gonna go ahead and show it to y'all now just so y'all can see what I was talking about and what's going on with this car. Now this is something that really needs to be repaired, especially since winter is coming, and if I want to dry this car, I don't want air and stuff coming through the bottom of the floor, you know what I'm saying. So this is something I really do need to get fixed. And if like it starts snowing and stuff and the snow gets so hot, I don't want water and snow and stuff getting through the bottom of the car and stuff. I don't even know if that could happen. I don't know, y'all. Just bear with me, y'all. I'm trying to think. I've been working on this, painting this car all day, and I'm tired, so I'm trying to, you know, keep myself focused and keep recording, you know. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm just gonna be showing y'all what I got for the car. I'm not going to install it, nor can I install it, because I don't know how to weld. But I told myself I was gonna teach myself how to weld today, but I've been so busy with, like I said, painting the interior of this car that I wasn't even able to go get my uncle's welder and see if I can weld, or teach myself how to weld like a few pieces of metal together and stuff. So yeah, I wasn't able to do that. I done watched a couple videos on how to weld, and I know it ain't easy, but as long as I can get enough good welds to where I can cover up a few of these rust spots that I have, then that's all I'm really worried about, you feel me? So but yeah, I wasn't able to do it, so I'm not gonna try to even put these in. But before we get started, before I even show y'all what I got and what's going on, I need y'all to like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop, so that y'all won't miss no video. Anytime I post, y'all won't miss no videos. But yeah, if y'all missed the last video, go check out the last video where I painted a few of my interior panels. I still need to finish it. I'm not putting my sunflowers back up because I need new ones. But yeah, I'm going with like a Kentucky Duke Blue Devils blue. Y'all go check out that last video, and after I finish this, I'm gonna go to painting a few more panels, then I'm gonna call it quits for today. Mainly I'm trying to just get this T-top area to where, you feel me, it ain't got this blue no more. So yeah, that's all I'm really trying to paint today. Then tomorrow I'm gonna come back, do some more. Then the next day, you know what I'm saying, just try to get as much done as I can. I don't know why I'm stuttering over my words so much, but yeah, man, it should be a pretty quick and simple video. It shouldn't be too long, but I do want y'all opinions, and you feel me, on the last video. I need y'all opinions on the last video I posted, so y'all need to go watch that last video if y'all haven't watched it yet. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. Like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. And yeah, let me show y'all what I was talking about. So this is what I was telling y'all we had to order. We got new rear floor pans. Now I don't need front floor pans because my front don't have no holes in it. My fronts are good, and if I check under the car, my fronts have no holes, and I already checked on the fronts before we went ahead and got these floor pans. So as y'all can see, rear floor pans, and we have both. So now the reason why we had to do that was because, hold on, I gotta push this. Hold on, I need y'all. And that's why another thing I was gonna weld was right in here, but I ended up fixing this to where it ain't moving. All I needed was that star head. But let me try and sit y'all down fast. 1 second. Told y'all, 1 second. Quick and simple. So, what I was saying is right there. Now, if y'all can see, it has rusted pretty badly. Look at that. Pretty bad. And it's only these two rear back ones. So, it's this side and that side over there. These are the only spots that rusted really badly, you know what I'm saying, floor wise. My fronts are good, and on both sides, both my fronts are good. So now under the seat, I don't know. I hope it's not, you know. So let me see. Okay, so yeah, under the seats seem like they're pretty good. I don't know what that is, but it's these rear floors, as y'all can see. So yeah, I got these floor pans. Hopefully, well, I know they fit because I did the eBay guarantee fit. So you just put in your vehicle number and it'll tell you if it fit or not. So they supposed to fit. And like I said, I can't really do it because I don't know how to weld. So we got to find somebody to weld them in. That way I won't have to worry about this. But yeah, this is all floor rust. Look at that. All of it. And it probably be falling out and stuff while I'm driving. Ain't no telling. But it ain't my problem. Don't look like nothing fell. But as y'all can see, I can go from the bottom of the car, put my finger through, because the floors have rusted. And like I said, ain't nothing really I could do, because this wasn't really my car until recently. And once I got my hands on the car, I started putting car covers and tarps and all that stuff to try to prevent the rusting. I gotta try to put this back in. Got it. Just like it. So yeah, that's what I was saying. That's the whole reason why I found this out as too when I was cleaning up the interior seats. So when I was wiping down these seats, the back, I had lifted up this carpet to vacuum and I seen the rust hole. So yeah, I'm kind of glad I found that out, because if I wouldn't have known that until I was finna put in my new carpet, then I would have been a little bit more mad. But you feel me, ain't nothing really I could do. Got the new floor pans. And they just got to get welded. So they cut them up and stuff, as I seen, so you can bend it more into shape. Because I guess they just don't come already prepared or something. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know nothing about welding. But this will be my first time I have to have a car get new floor pans. My box Chevy don't have no rust. My Charger didn't have no rust. But this one did, because it just sat for so long. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think, and about the big rust hole in the bottom of the floor. But yeah, this was one spot I was gonna practice on welding. It was gonna be right behind here, because it's like a little couple spots missing. I could have grabbed like some small pieces of sheet metal or something and then weld it, but I ended up tightening this up so the door fastened a little bit better. And it's a small little part under the hood I was gonna also try to weld, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I didn't get to do it today. It's already late. It's 5:30 right now. So I want to try to paint a couple more of these pieces before I go home, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I don't know, but yeah. So I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. I just want to show y'all the floor pans, because I'm not gonna be able to show y'all me putting them in, because I'm not gonna be able to put them in because I don't know how to weld. But I will be teaching myself how to weld here soon. So I hope y'all stay tuned and stay prepared, and I hope y'all, you know what I'm saying, like the little floor pans. I'm pretty sure they're gonna get painted black or something, put a coating on top to help prevent extra rusting, or future rusting I should say. But yeah, That's another reason why the carpet haven't gone into. I know I showed y'all the carpet a couple times. That's another reason, because that needs to get redone, and I don't want to put new carpet in while the roof and stuff is still leaking in this car. So yep. So yeah, let me put this back up inside the car, and I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one. Like I said, I just hold on, let this motorcycle go. Like I said, I just want to keep y'all updated on just about anything I do or get for this car, you know what I'm saying? So anything that I have for this car or anything that I do, you feel me, I just want to keep y'all updated. So that was, it's a reason for this video, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's kind of quick, kind of short, and I'm trying to stack up on videos because this car is supposed to be leaving soon to go back to a shop, and I'm not gonna have this car to be able to record, so I'm trying to record as much as I can, and whatever I have with this car, I'm trying to record it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's a little point and the reason of this video. Even though I hope y'all enjoyed though, even though it's like a little quick little vlog, wasn't too much, nothing too crazy. We didn't work on the car or nothing, but I hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog, you know what I'm saying? It's just me talking and then showing y'all, you feel me, the spots on this car. Now I know a bunch of people been telling me, like in the comments, you need to rebuild the whole car. That's what I'm doing. That's the whole point of me vlogging this car and starting from literally the ground up, bringing this car all the way back, you know what I'm saying? So I'm rebuilding this whole car. It's not gonna be just paint, wheels, and it's done. No, it's everything in this car has to be touched, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's just something I wanted to tell y'all, or say to y'all, because there was a couple people that kept saying, or that's told me I need to rebuild the entire car. And that's literally what I'm doing. My focus first was getting it running. Got it running. Now I'm worried about, you know what I'm saying, the looks of the car, you know? So yeah, we gotta get that rust hole repaired. Then after that, I want to try to undercoat the entire car. But y'all know I don't have a lift, I don't have a shop, none of that stuff. My dad have a shop, but we don't have a lift in that shop. So I'm gonna have to figure out a different way to undercoat the entire car without getting it on a lift, because I don't know any lifts near me, or do I know a mechanic, nor do I know a mechanic who will let me use their lift so I can undercoat this car. So that's something I have to figure out. If y'all know some ideas I can do besides trying to jack up the car and put it on jack stands, y'all let me know, you know what I'm saying? I'm definitely trying to undercoat the car so I can try to prevent further rusting. But yeah, like I said, I'm trying to prevent further rusting, so that's something I need to figure out that I can do. But other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. If y'all have dreams and goals, go after y'all dreams and goals, you know what I'm saying? Don't do it because I'm telling y'all to, but do it just so you can at least say that you tried. You never know, it might work out, it might not, but at least you tried and you gave it your all. That's the least you can say. So I'm doing my dream right now, going after my dream, chasing my dream, which is recording these videos for y'all and posting them on YouTube, being a YouTuber. So yeah, I'm going after my dreams and goals. So I hope y'all can go after y'all dreams and goals, to at least say that you tried. Go after and try, you know what I'm saying? But we got floor pans. The next thing I need to get is a dash and the little small things, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try to finish painting up this interior. It's gonna be the end of this one, man. I love and appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next one.